wake up from realizing that your life is being run by something that all the time is lying outside of you. Meaning your life, the state of your being, is being determined on something outside of you, let's call it like this. On the weather, on what you possess, on what you don't possess, on which number is on your account, on what you wish to have. So you are being driven by something outside of you.
If you wake up feeling tired, resentful, or indifferent about the day ahead, that is not something to ignore. It is a signal, a quiet but persistent voice, telling you that somewhere, something in your life is not aligned with your inner truth. Shi Heng Yi encourages you to treat that feeling not as a burden, but as a starting point. Ask yourself why you feel that way. Is it because of the work you do? The environment you are in? The people you surround yourself with? Or is it because you have drifted too far from the person you once dreamed of becoming? This reflection isn't about blaming or criticizing yourself, but about recognizing that each morning gives you an opportunity to begin again.
Wake up meaning to actually realize, is this the life you want to live from now until eternity? That you literally don't have your life in your own hands. That actually it's not you who's running your life, you are being run. You're being driven by circumstances. And this is where it comes to start to wake up. This is not the way to live life.
If you continue to do what you have always done, you will continue to get what you have always gotten. Change requires action. And action requires belief. Belief that you are capable of becoming the person you imagine, even if the journey seems uncertain right now. Shi Heng Yi often reminds his students that you do not need to take massive leaps every day. Small, consistent steps in the right direction are enough to create transformation. The key is to make those steps intentional. Every time you choose growth over comfort, discipline over distraction, you are shaping a life that will make you proud when you look back on it.
Left hand behind the back. Yeah. Here the knuckles. Here one. Right hand. Here. Now, when I inhale, look. Look to the right top corner, try to still see with the eyes the right tip of the elbow. So my eyes try to see and follow this point all the time. Body turns to the right, my eyes try to follow the elbow. This is all inhale. And then exhalation, you reverse. Exhalation, exhalation, exhalation. Right elbow. Almost, you can try, touch your left knee. Then, inhale.
By synchronizing breath and movement, the body activates the parasympathetic nervous system. This shifts you from survival mode into a state of rest, digestion, and healing.
Exhale. In. Out. And inhale. Yeah, inhale. Here you already start, yeah, the eyes follow the elbow. Now you can start to feel how the front side of the body starts to get under tension. Yeah, this area here gets under tension until the elbow, the arm. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Then release it. So now, until now there's nothing, but now it starts. Also now the back, on your back it gets under tension. because we're stretching the back. Keep the neck in, stretch the back, even turn lightly, touch, inhale. Exhale. And in. And out. One more time. Inhalation. Inhale, inhale, eyes. Follow the elbow. And exhale, right elbow, left knee. Then back to the center. Now arms here. Open, open. Right hand covers same place, left hand.
Stress is not only in the mind, it stores itself in the shoulders, the back, the stomach. Through flowing, mindful movements, Qigong releases these tensions one by one, like untying knots.
This time, other direction. Eyes look at the left elbow. Inhale. Stretch the front side of the body. Exhale. Slowly, slowly. Exhale, follow. Knees can slightly bend. And inhale again. Exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Four more times. Inhalation, eyes follow, search for the left elbow, stretch, and exhale. One, go. Inhale.
When the breath becomes deep and natural, the mind follows. The heart beats slower. You are no longer in the future or past. You are in the now.
Two more. Inhale. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Back to the center. Arms open. Then from here, inhale, exhale, push the palms out. Push the palms out, fingers pointing upwards on both hands, and keep the wrist above your shoulders, so don't let them sink. Keep them up, and let's hold here 4, 60 seconds. Keep pushing. This time really push, push, push. You can use your strength to push. 60 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This practice teaches you to focus on the present. The repetition of movement becomes meditation. As the body moves, the mind becomes still.
6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly bring the hands down. Inhale.
A regular practice of this exercise transforms emotional energy. Anxiety becomes alertness. Restlessness becomes vitality. Sadness becomes sensitivity.
Exhale. Now, some balancing exercise. Shift the weight on the right leg. Bring the left knee up. Left knee up, right palm up. Left palm down. Then slowly. Hold the balance. Bring the leg out. Touch first. Just touch. Then bring the heel down. Now I slowly, very slow. I shift my weight onto the left leg until right leg, see, is almost no weight anymore. Bring the knee in, arms change. Bring the right knee up. Slowly bring down the knee. Reach out. First touch only. Then bring the heel down. Shift the weight. Right leg full, left arm empty.
Your hands move like waves. Your thoughts settle like still water. This movement cleanses not just the body, but also the emotional burden inside.
Arms stay. Leg slowly go down. First, reach out. Touch the ground. Place the heel down. Then slowly shift the weight onto the left leg until you have the feeling good. Right leg is empty. Then right knee goes up, left palm goes up, right palm push down. Shoulders not here, relax. Fingers open. Slowly come down. Leg, reach out first. Touch the ground. Put the heel down. Now, shift the weight. Before you move the left foot, feel inside yourself. See, weight is already gone from there. Now, standing already on the right leg. Then I start moving. Just relax. Focus on yourself. Left foot down. Touch the floor. Heel touch. Weight transition. Right leg empty. Bring in. Switch. Leg down. Out. Touch. Heel. Weight transition. Now make sure left leg empty already. Come in. Lift up. Okay, 2 more times. Slowly down. Out. Touch first. Heel down. Weight transition. Pre-test. Take in, up. Leg down. Reach out first. Touch. Heel down. Shift the weight. Pre-test. Leg in. Slowly change. Leg out.
The goal is not to escape the stress of life, but to develop a body and mind that are strong, soft, and resilient in the face of it. Qigong is the method. The breath is the bridge. Presence is the power.